If Pixlr is not loading, freezing, or showing a status issue, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We'll start by checking whether the problem is on Pixlr's side or on your device. Then we'll move through quick browser fixes, cleanup steps, and a few advanced troubleshooting methods that solve most common editor issues. This is a simple process, and by the end you should have a much better idea of what is causing the problem and how to get Pixlr working again. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to check the official status. Open your browser and visit Down Detector or search for Pixlr status. This helps you see whether other users are reporting outages or server problems. If the status shows that Pixlr is down, then the issue is not on your end. In that case, the best thing to do is wait for Pixlr to fix the server-side problem. There is no browse setting that can override an outage, so this first check saves you a lot of time. If the service appears to be up, then the issue is probably local to your browser or computer, so let's move on to the next fix. The next step is rapid PC troubleshooting. Start with a force refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 to reload the page completely. This clears out the current page data and forces your browser to pull a fresh version of the site. Sometimes Pixlr fails to load because an old page file or cached script is causing conflicts, and a hard refresh can solve that instantly. If that does not work, open a private or Incognito window. On Chrome, you can use Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then try loading the Pixlr editor again. This is a very useful test because Incognito mode disables most browser history, cookies, and extensions by default. If Pixlr works in Incognito, that is a strong sign that the issue is with your normal browser data, not Pixlr itself. Now let's clean up the browser. Go into your browser settings and look for the privacy section. From there, choose clear browsing data. Make sure you check cached images and the files, and also cookies and other site data. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that might be interfering with Pixlr. After clearing that data, restart your browser and try again. In many cases, this alone fixes loading problems, login issues, and editor glitches. Next, disable any browser extensions that may be blocking the site. Ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with web apps like Pixlr. Turn them off one by one, then reload the editor to see if the issue improves. If Pixlr starts working after disabling an extension, you have found the cause. At that point, you can keep that extension off for Pixlr or create an exception for the site. If you still have the status issue, move on to the advanced fixes. In your browser settings, go to the System section and make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. This setting helps your browser use your graphics hardware more efficiently, which can improve performance in image editors. If it is already on and you are still having trouble, try toggling it off and testing again, because on some systems, the opposite setting may work better. Another thing to check is the file you are trying to open. Make sure it is a standard image format like JPG or PNG. If the file has a strange name, special characters, or unsupported formatting, Pixlr may fail to load it properly. Rename the file to something simple like image1 or project file and avoid symbols that could cause problems. If you are still seeing connection errors, you can flush your DNS. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears outdated network information and can help if Pixlr is failing because of a bad connection route or cached network entry. After that, restart your browser and try the editor again. By this point, one of these fixes usually solves the problem. The key is to start with the status check. Then work through browser refresh, incognito testing, browser cleanup, extension checks, and finally the more advanced settings. That way you are not wasting time guessing. If you want more simple step-by-step tutorials like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.